I would like for you to talk about who helped you paint the tree.
You, sissy.
I helped you, didn't I?
What is that?
My watch.
What? No, the button.
The what?
The button. Right here.
Oh, that's a thing to make the watch do something.
Show me.
Oh, God. Okay, push it. You'll see. See the hands move different? How the hands move when you do that?
And this one makes you stop.
Yeah. See?
This go around and around. Till we get to 40.
Till you get to 40. Okay, now show what did we do here on this tree? Go over there and point what we did. Who painted?
Me and you.
You and me?
And now we gotta take the root off.
Okay. So you need your tools to do that?
I got tools.
You got tools? Calculator, that's a good tool.
Here, get the calculator.
Okay, calculator. A Pez dispenser. Always need a Pez dispenser with a job like this. Right. Needle nose pliers.
Yep.
Okay. A magnifying glass. In case we have to look at something small. A whistle. Blow the whistle. Blow the whistle.
No.
That's a screwdriver. That is candy. Always good to have. More candy. That's a makeup brush. Maybe you better hide that one.
No,
Not very manly.
This is not a makeup brush.
It's not?
No.
What is it?
It's brush to clean with.
Oh, okay. All right, we'll clean with that then. Okay. I got it. That's a ruler.
Measure tape.
Yes, a measuring tape. That's what's it?
You put this back on the tape, screw it with the screwdriver.
Candy. Candy. And those are the brushes we used to paint the tree.
And now, I got all the tools out.
Okay. So I think to take this rope off the tree, I would take the Pez dispenser and the whistle.
I think that. And get your whistle.
Okay.
But your whistles are very loud.
My whistle's on my keychain.
Wow. So me and you're going to share mine, and me and you're going to share yours.
Okay, we'll share mine.
And mine.
And yours. You know you don't really have to share after you get out of kindergarten, right?
No.
You don't. It's all bull cocky.
Yes, I think.
Okay. That's your bug cooker.
Huh?
That's your bug burner.
Where?
In your hand to fire your bug. That's what you fire your bug with.
I guess that's everything.
I guess that's everything. Except here's what we used. Oh, you have to put your calculator back in there.
Huh?
A good technician needs a calculator.
No, you look at some of the stuff to when we find stuff.
Okay, well.
Now, you get the calculator.
The calculator? Okay, I have a calculator.
Okay, get this one.
That one?
Yeah.
What, right here? Right here?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll get that one. Ooh, that's tight. Let me see. Let's unwrap this a little bit so it's not so tight. Walk around the tree with it.
Okay.
You know, I think this would be easier if you sang a song.
Yep, I do.
Sing a song. See if that works.
Oh.
Whoops.
Let me go around double A. See? Yep, this way it works.
Is that the way it works?
Yep.
Okay.
Now, let's unroll this back around.
This is hard work.
Yeah, we got work on it.
There you go.
Look.
There's Aunt Margaret. Uncle Larry. Hey, what? We're supposed to be working. We're working on a tree.
I am working.
No, he and I are supposed to be working.
Where do you want to leave this?
There's good.
Mad doggy. There.
Oh, shit.
Mad
doggy.
Mad doggy.
There. Bring it on in. No, not taking it.
I don't go nowhere without my... Sissy, if you don't get that damn...
Come here, look here. Say hey to the camera. You're very photogenic, Maggie.
Bullshit. Old ass.
Did you guys win any money?
No.
I ain't either.
No, I left-
Contributed to the Las Vegas economy.
I left something there.
We did too.
They will have lights tonight. I
Yeah,
guarantee
you
it.
got that right. Sorry, Susie got the
Our
Starbright.
bills on
Yeah.
huh?
Sue says, are y'all going down the Starbright? I said, you mean the Skyline? Sue.
The Starbright.
Yeah, do talk. Do talk.
I'm sorry. What did you say? I didn't hear you.
Yeah, let me roll this out.
Okay.
Hey, Daddy.
Yeah, buddy.
We're working on that tree.
See, who's helping you?
Sissy.
All right. See your buddy?
Yes, sir.
All right.
And Daddy, look at my toolbox. I got all this stuff in there to go camping. He's so crazy. My daddy's so crazy, Sissy.
How crazy is your daddy, baby?
Hey, let's help me with this.
You know, I'm just so distracted. You're so focused. You're such a
Hey, let
focused.
go, please.
Okay. Pull it through there. Yeah. There we go. Now pull this one. Pull that one. Over there, on that side. No, other side. Pull it. No.